I'm Nick. I'm playing Connor Bain in the Bad Romeo film. Check it out. My favourite thing about the Bad Romeo book and the Broken Juliet is the forbidden love. It's something that really, interests me, and it's something that drives me crazy, as I'm sure it does you guys. And I can't get enough of it. So, well done. The challenges that Connor faces, I think, is the frustration that he knows he is in every way, shape, and form better for Cassie. He sees he's a nice guy, he's centered, he knows exactly where he wants to go, he knows that he treats women well, and he's just better in every way. And the fact that Cassie is attracted to Ethan drives him crazy, because he's in love with her, and normally it's not a struggle for him to get a girl that he wants, but then there's this dick comes along and he just pisses him off, pretty much. He hates it, it drives him mental. Definitely Connor, because he's had 14 years of experience and he's a black belt karate expert. And I know this for a fact that he would fight, because I've been doing karate for 10 years, so he would definitely kick Ethan's ass, no questions asked.
Oh, good to see you. Hey man, good to see you, glad you could make it. Really miss you.
Been fantastic playing Connor, so #Team Connor all the way.